Two hot topics up for discussion at today's city's infrastructure meeting. The first being an update on the transition of the city's Blue Box recycling program, as well as updates on road safety initiatives following the province's removal of speed enforcement cameras. Since January 1st, the City of Toronto is no longer responsible for residential recycling, following provincial legislation that shifted the program to the private operator Circular Materials. In a new report, city staff described the transition as largely uneventful aside from some missed pickups, but some councillors strongly disagree.
Over New Year's, not only was the promised date missed for many streets and entire neighborhoods throughout our city, but then when Circular Materials promised that there would be a quick cleanup afterward, the next day it wasn't done, in some cases for weeks.
Since the start of the year, the city says more than 10,000 calls to 311 have been redirected to Circular Materials, but councillors raised concerns that the company's phone line is closed overnight, limiting residents' access to support.
It's a stupid way to manage what should have been a very simple public service. They had a year and a half notice. It's not that we sprung this on them.
Councillor Matlow says Circular Materials has no legal responsibility to provide basic information, but that the city will be asking for detailed data moving forward. Meantime, councillors also debated the city's first report since the province rolled back automated speed enforcement cameras. City staff say while the province has indicated it will provide some funding support, replacing cameras with physical traffic calming measures like speed bumps and roundabouts could take up to 13 years on the low end.
I definitely feel that people are less safe, and I think my residents feel that way. By and large, in Toronto, while people may have been frustrated about getting the odd ticket, they know that it changed their behavior.
They also add that in some areas, including major corridors like Spadina, installing traffic calming features isn't feasible due to streetcars and traffic volume.
We'd like to use other kinds of signage and other ways to let people know you've got to slow down. This is a community safety zone. But I think we'll still keep raising the issue and asking the province to reinstate them.
And when it comes to replacing the speed cameras, no installations have begun yet, and the city hasn't provided a timeline either. At City Hall, Catalina Gillies, City News.